Hello! Today we're going to listen to the conversation between Lily and Harry. Lily just moved to her new house and she's talking with Harry about this. Now let's listen carefully to the conversation, then do the following exercises. Just got a new house, huh? I'm jelly.
Yeah, just moved in yesterday.
Mind if I swing by sometime?
Sure, but everything is still a mess right now. I had no time to clean up. I was dead tired after moving for real.
Too many things?
Well, not really. There wasn't too much to pack. But I traveled back and forth like 10 times.
It makes no sense. You said you don't have much stuff.
Let me tell you, I couldn't handle such big furniture like the microwave, sofa, or fridge. So I hired a mover to help me.
Yeah, you can't even carry your groceries because you never work out.
Stop it, Harry. Are you going to give me a lesson about that? Seriously?
Oh, okay, fine. I was just kidding. Keep going.
I needed a mover and a truck to transport my belongings to my new home. I was desperate to find an available truck, but I couldn't. It wasn't until noon that I managed to borrow one from my friend.
Gosh, that sucks. Bet you must be wiped out.
You're telling me.
So why did you have to go back again and again?
I was such an airheaded person yesterday.
What do you mean?
I kept forgetting things. First was the ironing board.
So you came back to take it with you?
Yeah.
Gosh, you need a list to help you not miss things.
I did, but it didn't work because of my memory loss.
Don't tell me that you lost your list.
I tried to write down everything I needed, but I lost it and couldn't find that list anywhere.
OMG, I'm speechless. You gotta be kidding me, Lily.
And you know what? I was so tired and wanted to take a quick shower. But then I couldn't find the hairdryer.
Jesus, another thing had been left out.
I didn't leave it at my old house. I spent almost an hour looking for it. It was not there.
That's strange. So where was it actually?
Gosh, Harry, I found out that it was under my bed in my new house.
Oh, now I get it. You have the memory of a goldfish. Tons of things slipped your mind when you were moving.
I know, right? There was a mix-up, and I even grabbed the wrong charger. My phone's battery was running low, so I had to come back again for the charger.
Lily, do you remember our trip last summer to Italy? You also brought your roommate's charger, not yours.
Oh, yeah. I'm such a fool. It happened twice. Gosh, I was exhausted going back to my new home with the charger. But then I realized I didn't have my phone.
Wait, what? How was that even possible?
Turns out I left it at the mailbox when I was getting my mail.
Jesus, Lily, you have to do something with your absent-mindedness.
I know I have to work this out, but I just don't know how.
Well, you can start taking notes on your phone. Like a reminder to go to the dentist, for example.
Oh no! I missed my appointment with my dentist this morning.
What?
Mess. Please repeat after me. Mess. Mess. A dirty or untidy state.
Your mess is my mess. Messed up. I messed up, I lied.
You're a mess. I'm a mess. Come on. Mess? What mess? That was your genius.
Sure, but everything is still a mess right now.
Furniture. Please repeat after me. Furniture. Furniture. Objects like chairs, tables, and beds used in a house or office.
And furniture.
Yeah, it's the furniture.
What's the furniture?
Like my furniture?
Of owning unhygienic furniture.
Fridge. Please repeat after me. Fridge. Fridge. A large appliance used to keep food and drinks cold.
Stupid fridge! Stupid fridge guys!
There's some in the fridge.
You shouldn't keep your bread in the refrigerator.
Unmade breakfast, karate the fridge.
Creamer's in the fridge. What?
Let me tell you, I couldn't handle such big furniture like the microwave, sofa, or fridge.
Transport. Please repeat after me. Transport. Transport. The movement of people or goods from one place to another.
Emergency transport. Sickbay.
Use every available ship and transport.
All I need is transport.
Transport Ren to my ship.
I needed a mover and a truck to transport my belongings to my new home.
Available. Please repeat after me. Available. Available. Ready to be used or obtained.
Susan, it's conference room 3 available.
It was the only room available.
Yes, and I'm afraid we have no other rooms available.
Is room 1 available?
I was desperate to find an available truck, but I couldn't.
Borrow. Please repeat after me. Borrow. Borrow. To take and use something that belongs to someone else and then return it.
Borrowed. Borrowed without permission.
Borrowed it. I borrowed a kid's bike.
He just needs to borrow it.
Borrow it?
It wasn't until noon that I managed to borrow one from my friend.
Memory. Please repeat after me. Memory. Memory. The ability to remember information, experiences, and people.
Proceed.
Memory by memory.
Memories. All those memories.
Interesting. Memories within memories. A memory within a memory?
I did, but it didn't work because of my memory loss.
Appointment. Please repeat after me. Appointment. Appointment. A scheduled meeting or arrangement.
Doctor's appointments.
I have an appointment. A really important appointment.
Make an appointment.
Alone? Appointment. That's it.
Oh no! I missed my appointment with my dentist this morning.
Just got a new house, huh? I'm jelly. Mind if I swing by sometime? Too many things. It makes no sense. You said you don't have much stuff. Yeah, you can't even carry your groceries because you never work out. Oh, okay, fine. I was just kidding. Keep going. Gosh, that sucks. Bet you must be wiped out. So why did you have to go back again and again? What do you mean? So you came back to take it with you? Gosh, you need a list to help you not miss things. Don't tell me that you lost your list. OMG, I'm speechless. You gotta be kidding me, Lily. Jesus, another thing had been left out. That's strange. So where was it actually? Oh, now I get it. You have the memory of a goldfish. Tons of things slipped your mind when you were moving. Lily, do you remember our trip last summer to Italy? You also brought your roommate's charger, not yours. Wait, what? How was that even possible? Jesus, Lily, you have to do something with your absent-mindedness. Well, you can start taking notes on your phone. Like a reminder to go to the dentist, for example. What?
Question 1. Who did Lily borrow a truck from? A. Her boyfriend. B. Her parent. C. Her friend. The correct answer is C. Question 2. Who did Lily hire to help her? A. A friend. B. A mover. C. A truck driver. The correct answer is B. Question 3. What happened to Lily's list? A. She left it at her old house. B. She lost it. C. She set it on fire. The correct answer is B. Question 4. Where was Lily's hairdryer? A. Under her sofa. B. Above her fridge. C. Under her bed. The correct answer is C. Question 5. Where did Lily travel to last summer? A. Italy. B. France. C. Canada. The correct answer is 8. Question 6. Where did Lily leave her phone? A. At her friend's house. B. At the mailbox. C. In her friend's truck. The correct answer is B.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.